Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can add face in your Google Assistant. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to long press your assistant like this and click on settings. And friends, you can see this, click on face match, and here you have to add data to your face like this. You can see personalize your experience with face match. Teach your assistant to recognize your face so that it can tell you apart from others and show information meant just for you. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.